Alright, so the first question is asking me to expand and simplify 3 times 2x minus 5 times x plus 3 minus 4x minus 1 squared. And because it's not asking me to factor fully, I can go ahead and expand instead of looking for like the greatest common factor and so on. So I'll start by multiplying the 3 into the first set of brackets, which is going to give me 6x minus 15. And I'll keep the x plus 3. And then I have to expand this in order to be able to multiply. So that'll look like 4x minus 1 times the 4x minus 1. And to multiply, I'll be using the arc or rainbow method, which will look like this. And then to start, I'll do the 6x times x, so which will be 6x squared, then 6x times 3, which is 18x, then my negative 15 times x, which is negative 15x, then the negative 15 times 3, which is negative 45. Then I'm going to keep this set of brackets. So I'll do the 4x times 4x, which is 16x squared, and then my 4x times negative 1, which is negative 4x, then negative 1 times 4x again, which is also negative 4x, and finally my negative 1 times 1, which will be turned into a positive 1 there. Now since there's a negative sign outside of these brackets, the signs of everything inside of the brackets is going to change, which will give me negative 16x squared plus 8x, just because I combined those two there and then change the sign, and then minus 1 instead of the positive 1 there. And I'm just going to write it out to make it a bit easier to see when I'm adding them. And then once I combine all of that, it'll give me negative 10x squared plus 11x and then minus 46, just because I combined everything with the which had like terms, such as the 6x squared and the negative 16x squared, and then the 18x and the 8x, and then the negative 45 and the negative 1. Oh, and I also combined the 15x with the 18x and the 8x. And then this is the final answer. Negative 10x squared plus 11x minus 46.